Welcome to the Anthropic Product Deep Dive on Claude Cowork. This AI actually does the work, rather than just talking about it. Claude Cowork provides multi-step AI power without needing a single line of code. The process is simple. You describe the goal in plain English. Claude plans and shows you the steps. Then it executes the work autonomously. Finally, the finished work is delivered, such as documents, organized folders, or reports. Cowork offers 6 key features that differentiate it from chat. These include file system access, scheduled tasks, browser control, mobile handoff, computer use mimicking human interaction, and parallel agents for simultaneous subtask execution. Claude Cowork has many real-world use cases. It can bring order to folder chaos, assist analysts with report writing, help students with research synthesis, and create daily briefings for managers by pulling data from various sources. To get started with your first task, first, download the Claude desktop app. Second, switch to Cowork mode. Third, describe your task in plain English. Remember that the Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise plan is required, and the app must remain open while Claude is working. Safety and control are integral to Cowork's design. Claude is transparent, shows you its plan before any significant action, and asks for approval. Features like an isolated virtual machine, approval gates, and the ability to pick which files and folders Claude can access ensure you are always in control. Cowork is available on every paid plan. The Pro plan includes all Cowork features. Max offers higher limits and priority resources. Team adds admin controls and group permissions. Enterprise provides advanced features like SSO, SCIM, and compliance APIs. Start using Claude Cowork today. You can find the official product page, support, and the desktop download link to access the AI that actually does your work, not just answers questions.